In the showerhead industry, automating the welding of ultra-short studs has long been a challenge. Traditional CNC stud welding machines simply can't deliver the automatic precision and consistency required. That's why we developed the TATE CNC stud welding machine, purpose-built for the showerhead and bath fittings industry. TATE is engineered specifically for the automated welding of ultra-short studs used in stainless steel and brass showerheads. With advanced CNC control, TATE guarantees strong welds, precise positioning, and high-quality results every time. Its dual-station design allows for alternate welding, doubling productivity without compromising accuracy. Trusted by top-tier manufacturers across China, Europe, the US, and India, TATE is the go-to solution for companies demanding the highest standards in welding automation. Additional advantages include consistent welding quality with minimal operator intervention, fast setup and changeover, reduced scrap and rework, compact footprint with industrial-grade reliability. Ready to transform your welding process? Contact us today at info@octate.com.